Brandon, you get one too. Ryan, give him one.
Oh.
Y'all can open it at the same time. That's fine.
To Brandon, that's mine. Oh, to Brandon from Santa.
And that's for Bowman one.
Hurry, go, 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 go.
Yeah? Oh.
Go, 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 go.
Corona disease.
Oh.
And did you get him that? Or Santa? Yeah,
Santa.
Santa got you that.
Dude, that's awesome.
Oh! Yeah!
Let's put them on.
Yeah! Jacket! This one I wanted for Christmas, Mom.
Yeah?
That's a rainbow jacket. I wanted this jacket.
A tap-out jacket?
Yeah!
Santa Claus was listening to you?
Yeah!